Good morning, all of you. Good morning. I am fine. How are you? All of you, first mute your microphone. Okay. So now this is your EVS class. Good morning, all of you. So today I will tell your term 2 syllabus. Okay, I am fine, beta. How are you? Hopefully you are fine in your home and read properly. Okay, so your term 2 syllabus first. Okay, all of you mark in your book or write down term 2. Your term 2 syllabus, that is chapter 14, chapter 15, chapter 16, chapter 17. I am fine, beta. Chapter 18, chapter 19, chapter 20, and your PT2 syllabus, that is chapter 11 and chapter 12, both are included in term 2, chapter 12 and chapter 11. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, total 9 chapter. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 chapter. Okay. So I will tell the chapter name also. Chapter 11, that is having fun. Chapter 12, my neighborhood. Chapter 14, occupations. Chapter 15, plant kingdom. Chapter 16, animal kingdom. Chapter 17, means of transport. Chapter 18, living safely. Chapter 19, the earth, and chapter 20, seasons. Okay. Okay, so all of you mark this chapter in your book for term 2 syllabus, for term 2 exam. Okay. So today I will revise your chapter, that is chapter 14, occupations. Okay, because we have already completed our term 2 syllabus. So today I will revise your chapter occupations, page number 76. Devapriya completed this, mark this chapter. So all of you see this book and page number 76, this page. Then I erase the board. Okay, completed. Okay. So our chapter today I will revise, that is occupation, chapter number 14, OCC, OCCU, PATIONS, occupations. Okay. So all of you open your book, page number 76. First, I am a fireman. See in your book this picture. He is a fireman. This picture. Okay. So he told that I am a fireman dressed in red with my fire hat on my head. I can drive the fire truck, fight fire too, and help to make things safe for you. Okay. So this man, this a necessary or helpful man in our society, that is a fireman. Okay. And he dressed in red color with his fire hat on his head. See this in your book. This man is wear a yellow colored hat. This is fire hat. This is used for protect from the fire. Okay. And I can drive the fire truck also. This is fire truck, this van, and fight fire too, and help to make things safe for you. Okay. Then I repeat again, I am a fireman dressed in red. So first one, that is fireman. So who dressed red color and used fire hat on their head. Okay. And fire hat and he can drive the fire truck and fight fire too. Okay. So he can yes, you can write down this in your copy also, but these are present in your book also. So he can drive the fire truck and fight fire. Okay. So he can drive fire truck okay. Yes, and help us to make things safe for you, us. Okay. And next, in our daily life, we use the services of many people. The work one does for a living is called his or her occupations. Okay. So in our daily life, we use to service of many people like fireman, doctor, cobbler, okay, and grocerman and nurses, firemen also. They are very useful or helpful in our daily life. So in our daily life, we use the services So in our daily life, we use the services of many people, and the work one does for a living is called his or her occupation. Okay. So, what is occupation? Question is very important. What is occupation? Okay. So, answer, what is occupations? So, the work one does for a living is called his or her occupation. All of you write down this answer in your chat box. All of you write down this in your chat box. So, the work one does for a living yes, very good Hriddhi, is called his or her occupations. Okay, Indraksi, very good. Next, let's meet some people. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, 4 people are there, and they do different types of works. Okay, first this people is Jaggu. The name is Jaggu. Osme, very good. The work one does for a living is called his or her occupation. Yes, answer is correct. So, first one, this people name is Jaggu, and he mends shoes. So, he is a cobbler. Okay. So, first one, that is I am Jaggu. He told that I am Jaggu, I mend shoes. Ankita, very good. I mend shoes and I am a cobbler. Okay. So, first one, that is cobbler. C-O-B-B-L-E-R. So, who cobbler? Jaggu. Name, this man name is J-A-G-G-U, and he made shoes. Okay. So, he made shoes. So, Jaggu, he told that I am Jaggu, I made shoes and I am a cobbler. Aman, very good. Answer is correct. Next, this picture, see in your book, picture number 2. Okay. I am Haria. I repair pipelines and taps, and I am a plumber. Okay. So, Haria, he is a plumber. He repair pipelines and taps. Okay. So, next, that is plumber. P-L-U-M-B-E-R. So, plumber, who is plumber? That is Haria. H-A-R-I-A. And he repairs pipelines and taps. He R-E-P-A-I-R-E-S, repairs pipeline and taps. Okay. So question picture number 2 completed. Next picture number 3. So picture number 3, that is Ramu. He is Ramu. Okay. So he sell vegetables. So he is a greengrocer. So I am Ramu. I sell vegetables. I am a greengrocer. Okay. So that next greengrocer. G-R-O-C-E-R. Okay. So who greengrocer? Ramu. Ramu is greengrocer and he sells vegetables. Okay? Yes, he sells vegetables. Next, I am Abdul and I stitch clothes. I am a tailor. So next, that is tailor. So who is tailor? That is Abdul. And he stitches clothes. Okay? Yes. So today I have completed up to this portion. Okay? And next classes we will start rest of the topic. We will revise rest of the topic. Okay?